Hi, I'm dear friends. Welcome to my channel, and today I'll show you how to avoid unwished sound adding or sound combining while using transitions in Filmora. Okay, this is our project, and let's say we have two videos. This is the first one with the music, and the second one will be with my voice. How to change the language in Blender. Okay, let us cut the first one somewhere in the middle of the song, like to be like this. Hi, I'm dear friends. And what I will do, I will remove the beginning of this video. Hi, I'm dear friends, and I'll show today how I will remove those "Hi, I'm dear friends" words. I will delete, and it will be like that. And I'll show today how to change the length. Okay, then I decided to use transition. Let's do it a bit longer, and let us do everything. Let us change the level of our sound volume. I'll show you how to change the length. You see, you can hear again this. Hi, I'm dear friends. Let's remove this sound. Hi, I'm dear friends, and I'll show you how to change the language. Again, my words. Hi, I'm dear friends. Okay. Hi, I'm dear friends. I'll show you how to change the language in Blender. And here in this part, music and my words are together. So let's see what can we do. You just have to detach audio from any part. It can be left, it can be right, doesn't matter. Let's do it from. And I'll show you how to change the language. Left part, it's okay, and if we do it here. I'll show you how to change. So no more my voice. And I'll show you how to. Everything is clean. That's it. Thank you for staying with me, and hope to see you soon. Bye.